Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can sync your Dropbox into an external drive directly from your PC. It is just a really easy process, so follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video and you'll be able to sync your Dropbox backup into your external hard drive as well. To do so, all you have to do is go onto your Google Chrome browser and search for Dropbox. From there, simply log into your Dropbox account. And after logging into your account, you'll be on the home page. From here, click on this grid option. From here, go on to the back. After you are on the backup option, you can see that you'll be taken to this Dropbox backup. From here, click on Manage Backups and go on to Open Backup Settings. And after that, go on to Open Dropbox and it will open up Dropbox app on your PC. Here I have already opened it up. Here you can see that this is the Dropbox backup, and here and on the option of add backup right here, there is a suggestion of plug in an external drive or install Dropbox on a computer. So guys, to add in or sync an external hard drive to your Dropbox, all you have to do is plug it in, and from there you just have to configure your settings of how you want your data to be backed up into that external hard drive, and you'll be able to sync it and back up all of the data from your Dropbox directly into the external hard drive. And that is how you can easily sync and back up all of the data of your Dropbox into your hard drive or external drive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.